Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repeat a song on Spotify. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. It's pretty easy to put a song on repeat on the Spotify application. Go open your Spotify app on your desktop and sign into your account, if necessary. Now from your home screen, you can go to the search button and type in a song you want, or you can simply select one of the songs from your home screen. Simply select the song you want to put on repeat and give it a flick. Once you do that, at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see Enable Repeat button. It looks like two arrows forming a circle, and it's next to the fast forward button at the bottom. Simply give it a click and it will turn green if you give it a click one more time. Then, a tiny one will appear on it. To turn off repeat, simply click the button again and your repeat has been turned off. You can also click the repeat button once and it will turn green, but this time without one icon. If you want to keep repeating the song, then make sure that it is turned on the green without the one text. If you want to repeat it only once, then click it one more time and make sure that the one text has appeared. Simply disable the repeat by clicking on it one more time, and there you go. That is how you can repeat a song on Spotify. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.